This is a pressure relief valve found on the firewall of the Nanchang CJ6A. Air comes in through two different check valves and then leaves through this part of the T. Obviously these are connected with B-nuts, and the check valves are connected into the T as well. This is a special T because it's all part of this one unit. And if you take this apart, you'll see that there are a couple components inside. One is a spring, very strong spring, and a brass cup that has rubber on the end. Now this one is used and is needing to be replaced because this rubber pushes with the spring against the seat down inside there and prevents air from leaking out of this hole. And if the pressure becomes strong enough that it pushes against the spring and compresses it and pushes that cup down, that'll expose this hole, and air will come out, and that'll be the pressure relief. So that's how it works. And obviously the tighter you tighten this unit on the bottom, the more it compresses the spring, allowing for higher pressure before the pressure releases. And so there's a couple of things to, when you install these, to do. First is to loosen this retaining nut as far as you can. Tighten this until it starts to press against the spring. And then once it's on the system and you have the air, you'll be able to see with your pressure valve at what pressure it's popping off. And if you need it to go higher, to get up to 50 or 55, for example, all you have to do is tighten this until you get the pressure that you want, or loosen it if the pressure is going too high. And then, of course, at the end, once you have it set, lock down this nut and safety wire it so it'll prevent this from backing up. So the safety wire has to go from here up to this nut to prevent either of those from turning. That's it. Now, if this unit is leaking, it could be because the cup needs to be replaced, that brass cup with the rubber, or it could be that you have a leak from one or the other side of these check valves, or from the B-nut. And sometimes the B-nut looks okay, but there could be a crack in the flare on the tubing. So it's very important to check those.